It always starts with something small. A woman yawns a little more than usual. She stays up late scrolling through her phone, finishing office work, caring for her family, or completing the leftover tasks nobody notices. The next night, she sleeps late again. Then again, slowly, sleep slips away from her life, like a thief moving in the dark. At first, she doesn't think much of it. After all, everyone sacrifices sleep. Everyone pushes their limits. But then, something strange begins to happen. She doesn't feel the same connection with her body. Her mood feels off. Her energy feels low. And the most surprising part is something she never expected. Her libido begins to fade. The desire that once came naturally now feels distant, almost forgotten. She wonders what's wrong. She wonders whether stress is the cause, or hormones, or relationship issues. But hidden behind all her questions lies a simple truth. A simple truth that science and Ayurveda both understand deeply. Lack of sleep can quietly and powerfully switch off a woman's sexual desire. I'm Dr. Ayurmoolam, and today we're entering a suspense-filled journey into a side of women's health many ignore. Sleep is not just rest. It's medicine. It's hormone regulation. It's emotional balance. It's sexual well-being. And when sleep is lost, libido is one of the first places the damage appears. This topic matters because women blame themselves for low desire. They think something is wrong with their femininity. They think love has reduced. They think their body has changed suddenly and permanently. But in today's world, one of the biggest enemies of libido hides behind lifestyle, sleep deprivation. And the thriller begins when you discover how deeply sleep and sexual desire are connected in ways most women have never been told. Imagine a woman sitting in my clinic. She looks tired. She forces a smile. Her eyes look heavy, but her main complaint is not fatigue. She says she doesn't feel like herself anymore. She says her partner feels distant because she has lost interest in intimacy. She says her body is not responding the way it used to. She feels guilt, she feels confusion, and she feels fear. But as we talk, I notice something familiar. She mentions anxiety. She mentions long nights working on her laptop. She mentions waking up multiple times. She mentions difficulty falling asleep. And suddenly, the mystery takes a sharp turn. The symptoms of low libido are real, but the root cause is hidden in her sleep cycle. Women with sleep deprivation experience a range of symptoms that are easy to ignore at first. They may feel low mood, irritability, poor concentration, low stamina, and emotional sensitivity. Their bodies may feel slower. Their natural lubrication may decrease. Their hormonal cycles may feel irregular. Many report headaches, muscle tension, and unexplained craving for sugar. But the silent sign that worries them the most is reduced desire, less arousal, or difficulty connecting emotionally during intimacy. Doctors often observe dark circles, restless energy, hormonal imbalance signs, or emotional burnout. Women may look physically fine, but the nervous system quietly shows strain. And libido is one of the most sensitive indicators of that strain. To understand this clearly, we must go into the science. Sleep controls a woman's hormones in a way that nothing else does. When a woman sleeps, her body repairs itself. Her hormonal system resets. Her reproductive hormones stabilize. Estrogen rises in a healthy pattern. Progesterone regulates mood. Testosterone, which plays an important role in female libido, increases during deep sleep. But when sleep is broken or insufficient, all these hormones get disrupted. Low testosterone leads to reduced desire. Low estrogen leads to vaginal dryness and discomfort. Imbalance in progesterone increases anxiety, and high cortisol, the stress hormone, kills libido almost instantly. Cortisol and desire cannot exist together. One shuts the other off. Ayurveda explains this even more beautifully. Sleep is called nidra, one of the 3 pillars of health. When sleep is disturbed, vata increases, causing anxiety, restlessness, dryness, and overthinking. Pitta imbalance triggers irritability, mood swings, and heat in the body. Kapha imbalance leads to heaviness, lethargy, and emotional numbness. Ayurveda teaches that Shukra Dhatu, which governs reproductive energy and desire, gets weakened when the body doesn't rest. Without proper sleep, a woman's emotional energy dries up. Her mind becomes overloaded. Her internal fire becomes irregular. Her body feels unsafe, and when the body feels unsafe, it shuts down desire as a protective mechanism. This is why even a single week of poor sleep can change a woman's sexual response dramatically. The story becomes even more interesting when we look at hidden causes linked to sleep loss. Some women have screen addiction. Some have irregular work hours. Some have overthinking cycles that keep them awake. Some have thyroid imbalance that disrupts sleep. Some experience perimenopause, where hormones fluctuate at night. Some suffer from anxiety that quietly steals rest. And in many cases, sleep deprivation is not the problem. It is a symptom of deeper emotional tension, unresolved stress, or lifestyle imbalance. Next comes diagnosis. When a woman comes with low libido, we cannot assume the cause. Diagnosis begins with listening. How many hours does she sleep? Does she wake up often? Does she use screens late at night? Does she feel mentally overwhelmed? Does she have hormonal symptoms like irregular cycles, mood swings, or vaginal dryness? Blood tests may include estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, thyroid panel, prolactin, and sometimes vitamin D and B12. Sleep disorders may require further testing if symptoms point toward insomnia or poor sleep quality. Ayurveda diagnosis evaluates digestive strength, dosha imbalance, emotional energy, daily routine, and lifestyle triggers that disturb prana, the life force. Women should consult a doctor when low libido continues for weeks, when sleep quality drops, when stress becomes uncontrollable, when intimacy becomes painful, when fatigue feels constant, or when hormonal imbalance signs appear along with low desire. Now let's uncover solutions, step by step, beginning with diet. Food controls sleep more than people realize. A woman's libido improves when her diet supports stable hormones and calm nerves. Warm, nourishing meals are essential. Include ghee, soaked almonds, walnuts, dates, pumpkin seeds, spinach, bananas, milk, and whole grains. Magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, sesame, and leafy greens support relaxation. Avoid caffeine after evening. Avoid spicy food at night. Avoid eating late. Ayurveda recommends warm milk with nutmeg or ashwagandha at bedtime to calm the nervous system. Foods that worsen sleep, sugary snacks, processed foods, sodas, cold drinks, can indirectly reduce libido. Hydration is important because dehydration increases fatigue and decreases sexual response. Exercise is another powerful tool. Light to moderate exercise boosts serotonin, dopamine, and endorphins, which regulate sleep. Walking, yoga, dancing, and gentle strength training improve blood flow and hormonal balance. Yoga poses like child's pose, forward bend, butterfly pose, bridge pose, and cobra pose calm the mind and balance reproductive energy. Deep breathing reduces stress and prepares the body for rest. Too much intense exercise increases cortisol, so balance is key. Sleep improves desire when the body feels energized but not exhausted. Medicines and supplements depend on the cause. If sleep disturbance is linked to anxiety, magnesium, ashwagandha, or Brahmi can help. If linked to hormonal imbalance, shatavari or estrogen balancing herbs may help. For women with severe insomnia, temporary medicines may be required, but must be used carefully. Vitamin D deficiency must be corrected as it impacts mood and libido. L-theanine or melatonin can help in selected cases, but not for long-term habit. Ayurveda uses Manasmitra Vatakam, Jatamansi, and Tagar for mental calmness and deep sleep regulation. Lifestyle and Ayurveda habits form the backbone of treatment. The bedroom must become a sleep sanctuary. No screens 1 hour before bed. Dim lights, calm environment, a fixed sleep time, avoiding late-night emotional conversations or work. Ayurveda recommends oil massage for feet before sleep. Warm baths relax the nervous system. Using lavender or vetiver oils soothes the mind. Keeping a simple journal helps clear thoughts. Reducing social media reduces overstimulation. Practicing gratitude rewrites emotional patterns that block desire. Sexual desire grows when the mind feels rested and emotionally safe, and sleep plays the biggest role in that safety. Let's simplify with a list of do and don't habits. Do sleep at the same time daily. Do reduce screen exposure before bed. Do eat warm, grounding food. Do manage stress with breath work. Do stay active. Don't consume caffeine late. Don't suppress emotions. Don't multitask at night. Don't push yourself beyond your limits. Don't ignore physical or emotional burnout. Preventing long-term issues requires a sleep-supporting lifestyle. Begin the day with sunlight exposure. Eat on time. Avoid heavy dinners. Reduce mental clutter. Create a night routine that signals the body to relax. Keep the mind quiet for the last 30 minutes before bed. Women who build consistent sleep routines experience improved hormones, better mood, higher desire, stronger emotional connection, and reduced stress. Even 2 weeks of proper sleep can revive libido levels that women thought they had lost forever. Now imagine the woman from earlier. After understanding the truth, she decides to fix her sleep. She sleeps 1 hour earlier. She reduces screen time. She starts evening walks. She nourishes her body. She begins oil massage. She practices breathing. And slowly, something remarkable happens. Her mood improves. Her energy rises. Her relationship feels lighter. Her emotions feel open. Her desire returns, not suddenly, not dramatically, but naturally, as her body regains balance. The suspense dissolves, and clarity takes its place. Low libido is not a failure. It is a signal, and in many cases, the signal says just one thing: rest. When a woman gives her body the sleep it needs, her hormones support her emotions stabilize, and her natural desire awakens again. Sleep is not just rest. It is the foundation of female health, female energy, and female intimacy. If this video helped you understand your body better, like the video, share it with someone who needs this information, and subscribe to Dr. Ayurmoolam for more clear, practical, human-centered health guidance.